To resolve the Electrolux oven error code F24, it is essential to understand the meaning and causes of this error. The F24 error code typically indicates a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or its connection to the control board. This issue can prevent the oven from heating correctly, leading to poor cooking results or safety hazards. First, ensure the oven is turned off and cool to the touch before attempting any repairs. Check the temperature sensor for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the sensor appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. Verify that all connections between the temperature sensor and the control board are secure and free of damage. If the connections are loose, tighten them according to the manufacturer's instructions. If the connections are damaged, they may need to be repaired or replaced. Next, check the oven's wiring diagram to ensure all connections are correct and not mixed up. If the issue persists after checking the connections, the temperature sensor may be faulty and require a replacement. It is crucial to use a replacement sensor that is compatible with the Electrolux oven model. When replacing the sensor, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to avoid any further damage. After replacing the temperature sensor, turn on the oven and check if the error code has been resolved. If the F24 error code still appears, it may be necessary to reset the oven's control board. This can usually be done by switching off the oven at the mains and waiting for a few minutes before switching it back on. In some cases, the error may be caused by a more complex issue, such as a faulty control board, and may require the assistance of a professional appliance technician. To prevent future occurrences of the F24 error code, regularly inspect the oven's temperature sensor and connections, and ensure the oven is properly maintained and cleaned. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can resolve the Electrolux oven error code F24 and ensure your oven is working safely and efficiently. Always refer to the user manual or manufacturer's instructions for specific guidance on troubleshooting and repairing your particular oven model.